Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best stain remover for teeth available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Number 1. MeetEasy Dental Calculus Remover. This can remove plaque, tartar, and stains very easily. It is designed to be comfortable to hold and reach your teeth without any hassle. The vibration level is tuned for accurate and comfortable cleaning. They claim it to be foolproof and it's been tested to be 100% safe and effective. The product can be used by both kids and adults. It's absolutely painless and you'll find it very easy to use. After the first use, you'll find your teeth to be noticeably whiter and cleaner. Number 2. Life Basis Electric Tooth Cleaner. This product from Life Basis provides powerful cleaning and effectively removes dental plaque, calculus, tartar, and stains. Using it will help your teeth to prevent gum diseases. Also, maintaining a dental routine with it will decrease the level of bacteria in your mouth, resulting in a fresher breath. However, it is meant to be used with toothpaste. Number 3. Colgate Optic White Overnight Whitening Pen. They have come up with an overnight tooth whitening pen that can whiten your teeth up to 2 shades. The teeth whitening gel pen formula works its magic when you sleep. The pack includes 1 teeth whitening pen and 1 overnight stand for easy storage. This whole formula is made with 4 simple ingredients: hydrogen peroxide, an alcohol solvent, copolymer, and water. Number 4. EKUPUZ Dental Calculus Remover. This next product is made of safety and quality in mind. With stainless steel and food-grade silicone as materials, this plaque remover is much safer than similar dental cleaning tools. It has 3 different adjustable vibration modes for teeth of all types of sensitivity. The mirror and the LED will help you find the dirt and stains effortlessly. Number 5. Dental Duty Oral Care Kit. Dental Duty offers an amazing professional dental kit that can effectively help you clean pinpoint spots in your mouth. The set comes with 1 dentist mirror, 1 dentist scaler, 1 tartar scraper, plaque remover, and 1 dental toothpick. It does not require any toothpaste or mouthwash. Overall, the Dental Duty Kit is one of the best ways of keeping odor-causing bacteria at bay.